let me just run our code and host it on ngrok. We copy the address and we go to Postman and use that address to connect our the mobile node. So we post the request with the JSON file. We replace the existing address with the one that we just created, and this is the address of the mobile. So we do the same thing for the our local host also. So right now we are just doing it for the mobile node. We are connecting our local host that we just started. Okay, so it's connected. So at the bottom you see that the node is connected. So we do the same thing for our local host. We connect the mobile network. We do the same thing here. So that is also connected. Right now we get the chain of, so we have just initiated our chain. So you see block ID is 1, the hash is 0. We are right now mining the block. You can see the 4 hashes, 4 trailing zeros, and right now we are adding a transaction. So this is the format of transaction. It has sender, receiver, and BitKhans. So I'm sending it from a laptop to my mobile. So I'm sending 100 BitKhans to my mobile. So after I add the transaction, we have to mine the block to append that transaction to the next block in the chain. So now our transaction is mined. Now the transaction is added to the block and our block is mined. So you can see a new block is created with an ID 3. So we are replacing the chain with the longest chain for the mobile also. You can see the blockchain was replaced with the longest chain, and you can see at the bottom that it has the new block that was mined by my laptop. So let us try a transaction from a mobile. So I'm just using the Postman, but it is actually controlling my mobile phone. So I'm sending from a mobile to my laptop around 50 bitcoins. And now that I've added the transaction, I have to mine the block for it to get added to the blockchain. Now that it is mined, it will create a 4th block on the blockchain. You can see all the blocks listed here. The 3rd one was mined by the laptop, and the 4th one was mined by the mobile. So to get this on my laptop, I have to replace chain. Right now the longest chain is of my mobile network. Now that I'm replacing it on my laptop also, it will have the latest block that was mined on my mobile. So as you see, the 3rd block was mined by laptop server, and the 4th block was mined by the Khan server, which is my mobile phone. So all this is available on the local host. You can see that the 2 nodes, one is my laptop and the other one is my mobile, and that both the nodes have a copy of the blockchain. So we have completely decentralized the network.